Hello everyone, welcome to SAP2000 video tutorial. In this video we are going to define load combinations. So to do that, we'll go to define menu bar. From here we'll go to load combinations. Here we have default load combinations window. So from add default design combos, we'll click here. So from here we will select the design type for load combination. Is it a steel frame design or concrete or aluminum or cold frame? So if it is steel, we'll select steel. If it is concrete, we'll select concrete. After selecting the design type, we'll click on OK. So as you can see here, we have the default design combos, different type of combos. So we can check it out. First combo, let's modify it. We have only dead load, and in the dead load the scale factor is 1.4, so it is default. If you want to check another one, let's see. So we have dead load 1.2, live load 1, snow load 0.5, wind load 1. So we have different type of combos. If we check another one, so here we have different type of combos. The last one we have dead load earthquake. So in this way we can add default design combos. On the other hand, we can also add combos manually. So to do that, we'll go to add new combo. From here we will rename the combo, so we can write it here combo 1 or user 1. Define the combination of load case results. So for dead load we will select the scale factor 1.4, then we can click on add. After that we have earthquake. So for earthquake we can set the scale factor as 0.3. after that we'll click on add. Next we have live load, the scale factor may be 1.6, we'll click on add. After that we can click snow, the scale factor may be 0.3, click on add. Then we have roof live, we'll click on add. So in this case this is only user 1 combination, so after that we'll click on OK. So this is only one combination. So in this way we can add a lot of combinations. Maybe we can define another combo, so the next name is user 2. In this case maybe dead load factor 1, after that live load factor 1, after that we have earthquake, the scale factor 0.4, add, and then we can click on OK. So here the user combos have been added. We can add default design combos or new combos manually. I hope this video helps you a lot. I'll see you in the next video.